In Primavera P6, we have a feature called Cost Account. You can create cost accounts and associate them with activity resource assignments or expenses in a project. First, go to Enterprise. Select Cost Accounts. Create a new cost accounts for our project. Give name as per your choice. Divide our cost accounts into number of categories as per our choice. We are dividing into 3 subcategories. They are labor cost account, non-labor cost account, and material cost account. After creating, close the tab. Now go to our project window. Select our project. In default tab of our project there is an option called cost account. Click on that box and select our newly created main heading of our cost accounts. Open the project now. For each of the activity, we have resources. Now we are going to assign cost accounts for each resources. For that we want to bring cost account column to the resource tab. Customize the column and bring the cost accounts. Double-click in the cost account columns of each resource and select the cost account you want to assign. Here in concrete resource we assign material cost account. And for excavator we are choosing non-labor cost accounts. For some labor cost accounts. Do the same procedure for remaining activity resources too. After doing this, bring cost account ID and cost account to activity window. We can see the assigned cost account details in corresponding activity in activity window. Now click on resource assignments. Group and sort by resource. Bring cost account column to resource assignment. We can here assign cost accounts to the resource very easily by using fill down options. If we want to see only a particular cost account in the project, we can use filter. Create a new filter for resource type labor cost account. Now we can see cost account for labor after we applied this filter. We can go to resource assignments window and group by cost account. Primavera will group cost to cost account. Thanks for watching my video. For further more videos please subscribe my channel.